Guys, episode 2. It is a new episode, it is a new day since my last recording, although I'm wearing the same outfit. Again, I got a 9 to 5 job, I got kids, I got a wife, so priorities throughout the day. It is 9:25 p.m. and this is what I wear before bed to keep warm. So let's get started. Currently on the Replit site, so this is where I'm building the financial app and calling it Mana Money. So if you want to see Replit, have a play around, there's a link in the description of this video. It's basically an AI agent sort of vibe coding tool that creates websites and apps, and yeah, it's really awesome. So I found this a couple of months ago. I've been playing around with it. So basically, I'll give you an idea. I already started doing a little bit of the app, so I'll show you that soon, but I just want to give you an idea of what prompt that you could give Replit to start building out your own project. They've got examples there like stock analysis, book scanner, local landmarks map. So for example, I'm going to give it a prompt here. I want to create a budgeting app for New Zealanders that will also have AI coach. I want the app to be super design. Okay, so I've just given that for now. You can actually go down here and improve the prompt. So that's a pretty poor prompt from me, but I'm going to use the AI sort of improved prompt, and that's what it's done here. So just to give you an idea, I'm just going to go start building, just so you know how amazing this AI tool Replit can do. And basically it'll start reading the prompt and designing it. So as far as when I show you the app that I'm building, Mana Money, you'll see the conversations that I have with the AI agent is each time I prompt it to change something on the app or the landing page, it costs 25 cents US. So just have that in mind as well. But just to get to this point, it's going to spit out what it's going to do, and I'm just going to, I don't add other things, other suggestions that it's giving me. I just want to build it out, and then I sometimes take screenshots of this and I add them in later, but I'm just going to approve the plan and it'll start doing its thing. And you'll see here the build out. So yeah, just have that in mind, that I think you can try it out for free, but then there is the paid version after I think a 7-day trial or something. But yeah, it's been worth it. So I'm just going to pause the video so I can do its thing, and then I'll bring it back when it starts building out the site. Okay, so this is what it started to create. I'm just going to approve the plan. And this is what it's created so far. I think it's still building it out. So you can see here, I think also you can see it actually building out the code in here. So you can see all the code that it's starting to build. And if I go back to preview, you get an idea of what it's like as it's still working it out. So that's what that's doing at the moment. So pretty cool. It's still building up, but I just want to give you an idea of how that works. Now, if I go to my Mana Money app, which is the actual app that I'm building. So firstly, I've just deployed a landing page. So this is the landing page at the moment. So yeah, it's unleash your financial money, strong strong money, strong you. So I'm obviously going to change this. I don't have any users at the moment, but basically, yeah, it's gone for the green sort of theme, and sort of basically it says, built for Aotearoa, deep integration with ANZ, New Zealand, Australian banks, AI financial whānau, etc. And then also the main focus of this app that I really want to be a key part is the AI coaching. But yeah, so that's the landing page that I've created so far. I am also going to do a AI coaching onboarding, so collecting all the data for when people go to sign up to use it for free. That there'll be a AI onboarding phase before they actually get to the dashboard. Now, as far as the dashboard goes, I'm always just wary of what I do here as well, because there's API keys that I have brought in, and I just really hope that I don't get myself exposed here by doing these videos in public, that I don't get any hackers come in and destroy what I've built. But anyway, this is the dashboard that I've created as well. So yeah, I've really focused on using the OpenAI key to use the AI chatbot to sound Kiwi and speak like a New Zealander would speak to each other. But anyway, I've just got it focused at the moment of the remaining balance. So you can put your income in, and this is going to be all manual. So I'm going to eventually work on a paid subscription where everything will be automated, where it'll be connected to your bank. But that's the plan. Hopefully I can do that. But this is the income side of things. You can do your expenses, you can create categories. Eventually this will show like food that you have, so that the budget that you set could be like 300 on food for the week, and then it will show you like how much you have spent for that week. Transactions as well, you can add transactions, and then this is going to be the key part. So as you can see, it says kia ora chua, I'm Mana Mate, your financial wellness companion, sweet as, how can I help you with your money today, mate? So for example, I could put click that, and it'll come down here, how much coin did I spend this week, and they'll just ask Mana Mate, and let's see what Mana Mate tells me. Kia ora, looks like you haven't spent any dollars this week. Yep, bro. You're sitting at a total balance of $2,311, and all your budgets are untouched. That's mint. Keep tracking those expenses, and you'll be sweet as. So yeah, obviously if I had more data in the transactions, the income, expenses, then it will show up a little bit more of the data, which is pretty cool. And then budgets, I've got a few debugging errors here that I've got to work on, and then you've got your profile that eventually you'll be able to automatically set up your bank accounts, etc. Okay, so that's it for now. Let me know in the comments what you think. Any feedback. I'm open to learning and growing, and yeah, hearing your feedback. This is an example on the left hand side here of how to talk to the AI agent to prompt it to do anything. So just again, remember that every time you ask a question to AI and it does something, it'll say, it's 25 cents. So far, I've spent $8.75 American on so far doing the landing page and also this dashboard of the app as well. I had a few errors of debugging coming up with some images that didn't work out too well. But yeah, this is the sort of conversation that I've had with the AI agent on Replit. So yeah, that's it. On the next episode, hopefully I've added more features, and I think the next stage I'll be looking at the onboarding process of the AI coach. So that'll do for this episode. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. And again, if you want to follow along, see the next episode, my goal here is to go from 0 to 10K by just building out this app and trying to make $10,000, whether it's per month would be nice, or just sell it to someone that may want to rebrand it and use it themselves in their company or something like that. But yeah, that's my goal, and I'm just learning and building this out, and I just wanted you guys to follow along and see if you might be inspired to do the same. But again, if you like it, then click subscribe and like the video and hit the bell notification, because that'll just let you know when my next episode is on. But that's too much chat for me. Again, I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.